Welcome to Auto Skills. This is a powertrain code P0171 system to lean. In this video today we will talk about how to diagnose and clear this fault code using this video. Let's start. Before starting the video, please subscribe our channel Auto Skills for more videos. In this fault code, the car system detects a lot of air and little fuel in the engine system. To diagnose this fault code, clean or replace the fuel filter of the car. Clean or replace the spark plugs of the car. Check the wiring, clean the injectors or replace them if necessary. Clean or replace the oxygen sensor. Clean or replace the mass airflow sensor. Check for a vacuum leak. Check all the pipes, the hoses. Search for a torn part of a pipe. If you detect a torn part of a pipe, repair it. If all the system is okay, then change the control module, powertrain control module or ECU of the car. Let's see how we diagnosed this trouble code. We cleaned the fuel filter of the car, the injectors, the spark plugs, and we cleaned the mass airflow of the sensor. The car's check engine light was on. The car was misfiring. Its gas mileage was very less. So after performing some steps shown before in the video, we alhamdulillah succeeded to clear the fault code P0171. If you would like to watch more informative videos, please subscribe our channel Auto Skills to get more videos. Thank you for watching. Be with us and we will be available very soon